face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hey y'all, it's Burn Beauty 2018, and you guys know I love makeup and I love skincare, and I love Ciate London because they make makeup with built-in skincare. So they sent me all 4 colors of their new Dewy Lip Gloss, and the gloss is sort of a gel, sort of a gloss, so it's not sticky. And it's got what they call a triple R complex in it, designed to rejuvenate, renew, and replenish. I'm constantly exfoliating my lips. Constantly. They're dry no matter what I do. I've been using this for 2 days. They peeled off just gently, and they're soft as a baby's behind. The colors are beautiful. I am wearing Heartbeat right now, so you can see it's semi-opaque. I've got it on as the first color. The next color is this beautiful pink called Charm, and this looks really, really good with a brown liner. It's just really good. This is the rosy mauve color, and it is just so pretty. And the last color is, this is Revelation, by the way. And the last color is Uncover, which is completely nude on me. It's right here. But this is going to be the one that I can wear all the time, whether I want to have color on my lips or not. I really highly recommend these. I love all of the Ciate London makeup with skincare, but the fact that my lips are so soft, and I have been exfoliating day and night, putting mask on them, this did it in 2 days, and I'm not kidding you. So give it a try. I know it's available at Nordstrom Rack and online and anywhere else you see Ciate London. Give it a try. Pick one up. Whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. Love you.